Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now for this we will need a SIM eject tool. This thing comes provided in the box with the device somewhere between the paperwork, so you can get it from there. Additionally, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of these things, you can pop out the tray. So I'm gonna lock the device, take off casing right here. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. Now when taking out your SIM card, you'll see that we have a couple little holes right here. You want to poke the one that is part of the tray. As you can see, it is just cut out right here. So you want to make sure you poke this one, which is closer to the edge of the phone. And once you push the pin in, you can see that the tray just pops out ever so slightly. Now you don't need to be worried about damaging this. If it's coming out kind of like tougher than you would expect, just push harder on it. And in here we all have space for SIM card and also nano memory, which is basically an SD card but designed by HUAWEI, and probably not very many people will be using those. Now those memory cards from HUAWEI are basically the same size as a SIM card. Thus they can go both ways, as you can see. So you can place a SIM card on the other side with the nano memory and it will have dual SIM support, or you can place one SIM card and one SD card on either side. Now for the nano memory, you do need to make sure you place it on the correct side. Only one of those sides will read it, and if you look at right here, you can actually focus on it. There we go. So you can see right here we have NM written on it for nano memory, and if I flip this over, you can see we have SIM1. So there we go. I'll occupy the SIM1 tray like so. Make sure it clips in. It should lay flush on the tray and it should hold in there without any kind of problem. So from there, once you have it on the tray, simply insert it back into the device. And as you can see, it automatically starts working. So for me, I do need to put in my pin. And there we go. SIM card is now working. Now I am in airplane mode, so I'm going to disable this. So there we go. That is how you would insert your SIM card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.